there. He's a boy. Has to be.
Oh, all the water. I hate it when there's all the water. It's gonna spill all over. It's like a drowning.
That's 9/11 right there.
Okay. July 11th, 2009, Saturday. Number 1, light brown girl. Number 2, dark brown.
I did. It was already dirty.
I know it already had blood on it. Number 2, dark brown.
Ew, she's eating
Girl.
it.
There's so many flies.
They get darker and darker.
Oh! This one's about to fall out.
She walked over there, and then she walked here, and it was like coming out. Then she came back here, and luckily it fell right there.
See, that means that when I saw her the first time, she was like that. So she just keep it.
Myra said it's gonna be like 3 hours.
Is that a dude? I think it's a girl.
Exactly, she was doing that when I get up and look through the window.
Is that a boy or a girl? Come on. Dang it, okay. Number 1, light brown girl. Number 2, dark brown
A girl.
girl. Number 3, sword